This video will show you how to connect a mobile phone to a laptop. Connect with USB cable. Then change connection type. Then your mobile device will show up on your laptop. If the mobile device is not showing, go to Device Manager. Now right-click on the Windows icon, then go to Device Manager. Now click on Portable Devices. Then enable your device. Now it's showing on the laptop. If your mobile device still doesn't show on your laptop, then go to the second method. First, go to Settings. Click on the version number or build number 7 times and your mobile will turn on developer mode. Now connect the USB cable to your mobile phone. Now disconnect the USB cable. Then reconnect it. Your mobile is now connected.